you probably heard the term data silo. In fact, it was a few days ago that was in a client meeting, and I said they were talking about putting in a brand new system, and one of the caveats there was just make sure that you don't go through a very large 3-year process where you're replacing one data silo for another, because you do see those peaks and curves where you get an entire platform, you go, oh, there's a series of problems around this, we'll bring in a new solution. It's another 3 years, replacing that, and the next thing comes in. Lather, rinse, repeat. But data silos exist for a particular reason, or a number of reasons. Generally, you have a platform where there is a clear purpose. Maybe it's taking in fun data, for example. But then the purpose changes. You go, oh, it's a really good source of data. Perhaps we can just use it for something else, or we can start adding a bit more data to this, or we can start tapping into another system here. And then suddenly you found that you've got more connectivity than was originally envisioned. But chances are the schema behind it, or the model, the structure of that, the data behind the silo was quite tuned to its original purpose. And so now when there's a new purpose or a new need or a new kind of value stream that's required from that data, you can't change it so easily. So it's an inflexible schema. In addition, one of the things you'll find is that, especially around large organizations where you have trading desks or market data desks, there's these areas of connectivity where a desk might say, okay, well, I want this particular weather data that needs to happen here. And they'll just tap in that data source. And all of a sudden, you've got this ungoverned landscape. Suddenly, these pools of data just building up over time, rather than having a strategic data view across the entire landscape, having governance around it, having strict controls, having versioning, having roles and responsibilities, having an awareness of what are data sources, what the golden copies, what are the golden sources, all those things. So yeah, there's a few reasons for data silos, Ian.
Thanks very much.